So I wasn't going to make a video today because I didn't really have anything to make a video for, but now I do. I'm sitting here doing my Amazon shipment and I'm getting everything ready, scanning the books in and all that good stuff. And I come to the bottom of my box and I get really excited because I see this big textbook, right, that I picked up. I probably paid like $1 or $2 for this thing. And I'm like, oh, there's got to be some heavy profit into this baby. It's a textbook. It's huge. It's somewhat recent. But the thing that I overlooked when I picked this thing up, Instructor's Edition. And then, as I'm reading on the front of the book, it says, not for sale. This textbook has been licensed to you as an instructor to consider for classroom use only. Under no circumstances may this book or any portion be sold, licensed, auctioned, given away, or otherwise distributed. So not shame on that teacher that sold it to me, number one. But number two, I'm stuck with this. I can't sell this on Amazon. I can't sell it on eBay. You're not allowed to. They'll take it off. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Maybe I'll become a chemistry teacher if nothing works out with Amazon and eBay. But I just wanted to give that quick tip to you guys so you don't make the same mistake. If you're just starting out selling used books, do not buy the Instructor's Editions because you will not be able to sell them. And so now I have this big fat book that's worth nothing sitting in my apartment, and I need to get rid of it. So if anybody wants to, I don't even know. I don't even know where I'm going with it. I guess I'm just going to have to donate it or throw it out or something. But yeah, that's my quick tip of the day for you. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you had a lot of sales this week. Keep me updated. Let me know what you sold. What are you excited about? What's going on? Talk to you guys soon.